शिरगावा देवी लैराईच्या जात्रेक जाल्ल्या चेंगराचेंगरीत 6 जाण सोंपले. सोंपिल्ल्यांच्या फामिलींची राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लईन घरा वचून भेट घेतली. राज्यपाल पिळगावा पाडोशा आनी थिवे पावलो.
माझ्याकडे आणि काय ना, माझं छोडो दादलो हांव सामकें गरीब, माझ्याकडे काय ना आणि माझ्या कुत्र्या.
Today I was not in station yesterday. Today after lunch I reached here. And their country is in a sad position with respect to this. People have abundant faith. They are observing all the formalities of Vrudha reached there and this unfortunate incident. I think it is first time in the history of Goa. And Indian Prime Minister, Rashtrapati, and all are in fact painful with respect to this incident. I hope in this unfortunate incident the Goan people as a whole or together are working our ministry, our honorable minister's constituency. 3 persons lost their life. He is also much worried and he is prepared to extend all help to them, and especially all setups in Delhi and Panjim, they are working together, and even the investigation nature also is there in the inquiry. Beyond our according to prima facie, things beyond our control. The activities are very well going on, and Central Kerala, state government already declared 10 lakhs for these people and 1 lakh for others. If at all something more is required also, we will do that. And proper immediately all these medical facilities and saving the life, maximum effort was there. And other things of course under
Bureau Report, Prudent.